Hello guys. So today what I will tell you a very good tool that you can use to learn any Angular framework, Flutter development, Android development, and Python development, whatever you want to learn. So let me show you one tool here. So this is the tool that you can use to learn about the Angular. So let me show you the first page. So from here, it is a very good tool, and you can suppose you want to learn the standalone component. So what you can do here, you can just search here the feature, and you can open it, and by step, with the step by step, you can learn these things like introduction, environment setup, application, with the photos. So step by step, you will learn all those things, and you will clearly understand what is happening here. So this is uh, so this means this tool is basically created by Google developers. Means these are some kind of workshops, you can say these are some kind of workshops, and with that you can easily learn. And these basically run on the Google Cloud platform, so that is also good. So its performance is also good. So thanks guys for watching.